Ready to explode your e-commerce sales and customer engagement with the power of WhatsApp? If you're drowning in customer inquiries and struggling to keep up with order updates through email, you know there has to be a better way. That's where Wati, a WhatsApp business API solution, comes in, and today, we're diving deep to see if integrating it with your Shopify store is actually worth it. First, let's talk benefits. Imagine automating order confirmations, shipping notifications, and even personalized product recommendations, all directly through WhatsApp. This means instant communication, higher open rates compared to email, and ultimately, happier customers. Wati streamlines customer interactions by allowing you to manage all your WhatsApp conversations in one place. You can create automated workflows for frequently asked questions, route inquiries to the right team member, and even set up abandoned cart reminders to recover lost sales. But what about ROI? Consider the increased sales from recovered abandoned carts, the reduced customer support costs through automation, and the improved customer lifetime value from personalized engagement. These factors can quickly outweigh the cost of Wati, making it a worthwhile investment. In short, integrating Shopify with Wati can be a game-changer for your e-commerce business. It's all about enhancing operations, streamlining customer interactions, and driving sales through the power of WhatsApp commerce and automation. Now, is it worth it? Based on these benefits and potential ROI, the answer is a resounding yes for many businesses.